So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a sticker in Picsart. So the first thing you want to do is open up Picsart. On here you can see some of the projects you've been working on once you're logged in. So let's open one of those photos that we want to create a sticker on. So through here you can see tools, you can see effects, you can see text, as well as retouch and some other options. So on here you can see a lot of tools have just opened up, so you can use a lot of them. On here you can see the option sticker as well. So through here you can see some options of finding stickers and adding them, and once you're finished it will be saved as a sticker on there as well. So through here just scroll enough to find remove BG, that means remove background. Click on that and you can see now it's searching for something to remove. In the meantime, you can see it's saved like this. After that, you will need to save it. So click the option apply to save changes. And you can see on here once you're done, and you can set it up even more using your tools. And when you're satisfied with the sticker design, tap on next to save your sticker to your personal sticker library for future use. Tap the sticker toggle on. So once you go to next or click on export, you'll see the sticker option and you will need to turn that on, and through there it will be saved as a sticker on some of your folders. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Picsart or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.